Good morning. Today we are going to discuss one of the exciting assignment from class 10 and the topic are environment. Let us discuss one by one question. The first question, define bioindicators. So bioindicators are the species here which will be monitor that health of an environment. Let us write the answer. Bioindicators are species that monitor health of environment or ecosystem. So they are especially any biological species whose functions, population, so let us go for that of reading once. So bioindicators are the species that monitor that health of environment or else ecosystem. They are any biological species or a group of species which will be useful for the saying of that qualitative status of an ecosystem. So here it is, they are any biological species or whose functions or the population or the status here that will be gives that reveals that qualitative status of the ecosystem or else environment. So let us go for that of next question. So the next question is, what is eutrophication? Enrichment of the nutrients because of this nutrient accumulation in the pond as all the weed plants will grow. So this causes that biological oxygen demand in the pond ecosystem or else any the marine freshwater ecosystems. So you can see that the weed plants like Pistia or else Ulfia, all these are all the plants which will be grow more at the surface area, and the roots which are present in the mid layers of that pond ecosystem, and which causes that less oxygen there. Okay, so that is nothing but here biological oxygen demand. Let us write the answer. What is eutrophication? Eutrophication is enrichment of nutrients causes growth of weeds and algae, and it causes that less oxygen in that ecosystem, so causing that a biological oxygen demand. Biological oxygen demand. So this is very important as BOD we can say. This will be creates that oxygen demand there. Okay. So then let's go for that of next question. What is bioaccumulation here? So accumulation of the pollutants in a food chain, it is called as bioaccumulation. So there are different levels are there in the food chain: producers, primary consumers and secondary consumers, and tertiary consumers, whereas the top carnivores. So if you take that entry of the pollutants in the food chain is nothing but here bioaccumulation. So where we can write that the food chain here, I am resembling that in the pyramid. So producers, primary consumers, secondary consumers and tertiary consumers, or else a top carnivores. The entry of the pollutants here in the producers, or else here primary consumers and secondary consumers and tertiary consumers. So the pollutants will be transferred like, okay. So entry of that pollutants in an food chain or else in an ecosystem, it is called as bioaccumulation. So accumulation of pollutants in an ecosystem or food chain is called as bioaccumulation. Let us go for that of next question. The next question is, what is biomagnification? As just now as we have discussed that producers, primary consumers, secondary consumers and tertiary consumers, okay. So the entry of pollutants are called as here bioaccumulation, and the pollutants which need to be, whereas these will be transferred from the one level to other level. So transferring tendency of these transferring of pollutants from the one trophic level to other trophic level is called as here biomagnification. Okay, tendency of pollutants from one trophic level to other is called as here biomagnification. Transfer of pollutants from one trophic level to another trophic level is called as here biomagnification. Let us go for that of next question. The next question is, expand the following BOD and DO. So biochemical oxygen demand, BOD, DO is a dissolved oxygen. We'll write that BOD, biochemical oxygen demand. Biological oxygen demand is also correct. DO is dissolved oxygen. So wherever this oxygen is not there, means less oxygen content will be there because of growth of that wheat plants and all. That creates that a condition of BOD, and the dissolved oxygen in short way as we can call it as DO. That's all for this assignment. Thank you.